Good morning, Haitians! International Year of Creative Economy for Sustainable Development is our theme as we celebrate this year United Nations Month 2021. Through the support of our dear principal and collaboration of our Panipunan teachers from elementary to senior high school, we will have several school activities that you will surely enjoy for this month. For elementary department, we have Geo Quiz Bee. This is open for grade 4 to 6 with 2 representatives each level. This will be on October 15, 2021. Guidelines and mechanics will be discussed to you by your Alan Panipunan teacher. Newscasting competition for grade 4 to 6 with 1 representative each level. Here are the criteria for judging.
Delivery 65%, personality 30%, adherence to time allotment 5%, a total of 100%. Winners from this competition will receive first place 300 pesos, second place 200 pesos, third place 100 pesos, and for our consolation prize 50 pesos all in cash. From grade 7 to 12 department, we have Geo Quiz Bee and United Nations Quiz Bee that will be held on October 15, 2021. There must be 2 representatives each grade level. First place, 300 pesos. Second place, 200 pesos. Third place, 100 pesos. And for our consolation prize, 50 pesos all in cash. For secondary level, only 1 team for each level with 3 to 4 members. And here's the criteria for judging. Alright, truly your effort is not wasted because we have big prizes in store for you. For all consolation winners, your team will receive 200 pesos. Third place for 400 pesos. Second place for 800 pesos. And last but not the least, first place for 1,200 pesos.
Hope you join and enjoy the activities that we have prepared for you. And now, I will leave you a quote that according to Ralph Bunche, the United Nations is our one great hope for a peaceful and a free world. Once again, Happy United Nations Month!